Class 76 flyback converter. This is isolated type. That means there is transformer. Here the output depends upon both. That is the duty cycle of the switch and the transformer turns ratio. The operation is like this. See, this is the polarity. Polarity of the transformer is reversed here. When transistor is on or thyristor is on, you can have transistor or thyristor here. Current will flow like this. But because of the reverse polarity and diode, the secondary will not conduct now. See, when voltage is positive here, okay, current will flow like this. Okay, when current is flowing like this, due to the polarity, current will come like this. But due to the diode here, current cannot flow like this. Hence, this will stay off. So, the primary will conduct, secondary will not conduct during on time of switch. Now, since this is DC, the primary or the transformer will now store energy. Current will be increasing in the primary. Secondary current will be zero. Okay, capacitor only will be supplying the energy to the load. Now, when we switch off T1, that is thyristor or switch, the primary voltage will be reversed because of inductive effect. Now, secondary voltage also will be reversed. So, here it will become positive, here negative. So, diode will conduct. So, energy which had been stored during on time in the transformer, that will be transferred to the load as well as the capacitor. So, during on time of T of thyristor, the charge stored in the capacitor will be transferred to the load. During off time, energy will be transferred from the primary to the load and capacitor also. The duty cycle is the output voltage is given by this: supply voltage into on time by off time and turns ratio. The feedback, everything is not shown here. Actually, we have feedback also. Full SMPS means switching, transfer and feedback. Here this is a snubber, RC snubber, you know that. If possible, you show that. If you cannot write that, write the simple figure. Again here this DC means it will be actually directly filtered and directly rectified and filtered. For simplicity, we have shown here DC. Okay, you can also use DC, but usually we will be having AC supply. So this transformer will be very small because this transformer is switching at very high frequency, say 40-50 kilohertz or even more.